Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, everybody. Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we will learn about how to change sentences of present perfect continuous tense into passive voice form. This class is applicable for all senior students. You all are ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then come to the point. For learning how to change sentences of present perfect continuous tense into passive voice form, uh, first need is to understand its structure. A structure of passive form will be object is changed into subject. Here the term object implies for object of given present perfect continuous tense, that is object of active voice form, and this object is changed into subject. Thereafter has been or have been is used, have been or has been or have been is used as per need, plus being plus third form of verb plus for or since plus object. And this object comes from subject. This object comes from subject of active voice, that is subject of your given present perfect continuous tense. Subject is changed into object. This is the structure to change given sentence in passive voice form in case of present perfect continuous tense. Example: they have been doing the research for years. It is the sentence of present perfect continuous tense and is already in active voice form. And to change it in passive voice form, we change the given object as a subject. So it is written as the research has been being done for years. Actually, the word the research is here as a subject which has been selected from this given sentence of active voice form, that is they have been doing the research. Here the word research was as an object, but now here it becomes subject in case of passive. Thereafter helping verb has been used as per this structure, and then being, thereafter third form of verb done, and then for, and finally object made from subject. This object has been made from subject. So you see how the subject was there, but it is hidden. So the research has been being done for years. Now the question arises, who was doing the research? So they have been doing the research for years. Here the subject is hidden. In active case it was quite clear, but in passive the sense becomes quite clear only on expressing the fact in this word. The research has been being done for years. Here the understanding of by them is hidden. Here the understanding of by them is hidden, but there are some other examples in which we can use by them or by him or by her as the condition is needed over there. So this is your homework. we have been digging the well for 10 years. Now you need to change this sentence in passive voice form with the help of this given structure. So today you have to learn how to use this given structure in written form. I do hope you might have understood it, how to use the given subject as an object, how to use helping verb, how to use fourth form of verb or into third form of verb, and how to use object, where to use for, and where to use since, and then other words. So you need to note it down and get it.
Thank you,
very much.
sir.
Thank you very much.